你要说话吧。
Okay, this is six LCD come here, then soldering pin. Here is the pin length, pin numbers. And the glue on the LCD. This is UV exposure to make the LCD, the glue dry. Here is cutting pin length. Then also UV dry, make the LCD glue dry. Come here. 切角是这样。两次剪胶是正面和反面，
对，
两边还是
正面跟反面嘛。
cutting pin。这个环角的长度的话，它在哪里设置？
这里也是定好的吗？这里是调好的吗？这里可以调好的吗
Here mentioned the pin length.
这里可以调好多长吗
And here to do the AOI testing. 帮我拿一下吧。AOI testing. This is the display effect drawing design, and here is testing the LCD one by one. The backlight, the LCD put on the backlight, and then testing here, and the result comes to here. We can see the result comes to the left. Oh, this is NG1. This is NG1. And NG LCD will come to here. Will come to here. Okay, this is pass one. Pass one LCD will come to there. Okay, this is the whole soldering pin process and electric testing.